Oregon Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 5.
Question 1. The brake is the most important because it
Rear provides 70% of the braking power. Rear is the emergency brake. Front provides 70% of the braking power. Front is the emergency brake.
Answer.
Front provides 70% of the braking power.
Question 2. Rolling under throttle through a turn will
Cause the motorcycle to skid. Cause the motorcycle to tip over. Help the motorcycle stop. Help stabilize the motorcycle.
Answer.
Help stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 3. When riding a motorcycle, you can share your lane when
Riding between parked cars. Riding between lanes. Riding no more than 2 abreast with another motorcycle. Riding in the right lane position only.
Answer.
Riding no more than 2 abreast with another motorcycle.
Question 4. When loading saddlebags, it is important to
Fill all saddlebags completely. Fill one completely before loading others. Not exceed 20 pounds per bag. Load them evenly with the same weight.
Answer.
Load them evenly with the same weight.
Question 5. Can affect your ability to ride a motorcycle.
Illegal drugs. Alcohol. All these answers are correct. Prescription medication.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 6. Which of the following applies to carrying cargo?
Ropes are the best method to secure cargo. Distribute the weight evenly. Cargo should not be carried while carrying a passenger. Carry loads on the sissy bar.
Answer.
Distribute the weight evenly.
Question 7. In locations where there is oil and grease buildup, the best lane position is
In the blind spot. The left or right part of the lane. Not important. The center portion.
Answer.
The left or right part of the lane.
Question 8. What is the safest braking method?
Using only the front brake. Alternating between using the front brake and the rear brake. Using only the rear brake. Using both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
Using both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Question 9. Which of the following is required in order to have a passenger on your motorcycle?
Footrests for the passenger. Specialized shocks. Side saddlebags for cargo. A windshield.
Answer.
Footrests for the passenger.
Question 10. If there are 2 or more motorcycles riding together, they should ride
In a V formation. In pairs. In a staggered formation. Single file.
Answer.
In a staggered formation.
Question 11. The most effective braking method is to
use the front brake only. Use the rear brake only. Use the front and rear brake at the same time. Alternate between rear brake and front brake.
Answer.
Use the front and rear brake at the same time.
Question 12. In order to cross railroad tracks safely, you should cross them at an angle of at least degrees.
90, 20, 45, 120.
Answer.
45.
Question 13. When riding with a passenger, how should you adjust your control of the motorcycle?
Only ride in the left lane position. Ride slower. Only ride in the center lane position. Ride faster.
Answer.
Ride slower.
Question 14. Normally, a minimum space cushion between yourself and the vehicle ahead of you is at least seconds.
2, 6, 1, 4.
Answer.
2.
Question 15. When entering a turn and you need to change gears, when should that change occur?
At any time. After entering the turn. After completing the turn. Before entering the turn.
Answer.
Before entering the turn.
Question 16. Each plan of traffic has positions for a motorcycle to travel.
4, 1, 3, 2.
Answer.
3.
Question 17. As you approach the center of a turn, you should
Apply the rear brake. Move towards the outside of the curve. Move towards the inside of the curve. Decrease the throttle.
Answer.
Move towards the inside of the curve.
Question 18. If there are hazards on the road to your right, which lane position should you ride in?
1 or 2. 2, 3, 1.
Answer.
1 or 2.
Question 19. In addition to reflective clothing, the best colors for being seen are
Red, green, and yellow. Orange, yellow, and white. White, red, and orange. Orange, red, yellow, and green.
Answer.
Orange, red, yellow, and green.
Question 20. It is important to check your mirrors when
You are about to change lanes. Stopped at an intersection. You are about to slow down. All of the above.
Answer.
All of the above.
Question 21. While riding your motorcycle in high-risk areas, you must cover to reduce the time you need to react.
Your whole travel lane. Your head with a helmet. Your eyes with goggles. The clutch and both brakes.
Answer.
The clutch and both brakes.
Question 22. Which of the following is a way to reduce your reaction time?
Cover the clutch and brakes. Lock your elbows when riding. Hover your feet above the ground. Decrease your following distance.
Answer.
Cover the clutch and brakes.
Question 23. If both braking and swerving are required to avoid hitting an object, in which order should you brake and swerve?
Brake while swerving. You can only brake before swerving, never after. Brake before or after swerving. Swerve while braking.
Answer.
Brake before or after swerving.
Question 24. How can you warn the driver behind you that you are about to slow down?
Wave your arms. Slam on the brakes. Flash your brake light. Turn around and make eye contact.
Answer.
Flash your brake light.
Question 25. If your motorcycle begins to wobble, you should
Open the throttle slowly. Apply the rear brake only. Close the throttle slowly. Apply the front brake only.
Answer.
Close the throttle slowly.
Question 26. Which of the following statements about crossing an intersection is true?
Select a lane position that would best increase your visibility to other drivers. Always ride with your headlight off. Always count on eye contact as a sign that a driver will yield. Increase your speed as you approach an intersection.
Answer.
Select a lane position that would best increase your visibility to other drivers.
Question 27. In order to have a passenger on your motorcycle, you must have
Footrests for the passenger. A windshield. High-quality shocks. Side saddlebags.
Answer.
Footrests for the passenger.
Question 28. While riding a motorcycle, you should position your feet
Hovering just above the ground. With your toes pointed downward. All these answers are correct. Firmly on the foot pegs.
Answer.
Firmly on the foot pegs.
Question 29. If either of your motorcycle tires goes flat while riding, you should
Increase your speed. Apply brakes quickly. Hold hand grips firmly. Change your direction.
Answer.
Hold hand grips firmly.
Question 30. The best protection against flying objects while riding is
Headlights. Face protection. Goggles. Sunglasses.
Answer.
Face protection.
Question 31. If your motorcycle begins to wobble, the best course of action is to
Close the throttle gradually. Apply the brakes quickly. Accelerate out of the wobble. Grip the handlebars tightly and fight the wobble.
Answer.
Close the throttle gradually.
Question 32. To help maintain balance during a turn, you should
Drag your inside foot for support. Drag your outside foot for support. Maintain or increase your speed. Decrease or maintain your speed.
Answer.
Maintain or increase your speed.
Question 33. Which of the following is a factor in your blood alcohol level?
How fast you drink. The time of day. The type of alcohol. The location in which you are drinking.
Answer.
How fast you drink.
Question 34. A wobble is likely to be made worse by
Riding beside another vehicle. Closing the throttle gradually. Unpaved roads. Trying to accelerate out of it.
Answer.
Trying to accelerate out of it.
Question 35. In order to avoid fatigue, you should stop riding at least every hours.
2. 1. 4. 6.
Answer.
2.
Question 36. Choosing the best lane position means
You are not in a blind spot. You are avoiding surface hazards. All these answers are correct. Your space cushion is maximized.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 37. To increase your chances of being seen by another vehicle.
Drive in areas where there are lots of motorcycles. Wear reflective clothing. Drive only during the day. Avoid driving in heavy traffic.
Answer.
Wear reflective clothing.
Question 38. How can you use your clothing to help prevent collisions?
Clothing choice does not prevent collisions. Wear bright clothing. Wave extra clothing to get attention of drivers. Wear durable clothing.
Answer.
Wear bright clothing.
Question 39. If you can't cross an obstacle straight on, you should cross at an angle of at least degrees.
105. 45. 90. 20.
Answer.
45.
Question 40. When following other motorcycles, what should be the minimum space cushion?
3 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. 6 seconds.
Answer.
2 seconds.
Question 41. if parked next to a curb, should be touching the curb.
No wheels. The front wheel. Both wheels. The rear wheel.
Answer.
The rear wheel.
Question 42. You must maintain a space cushion between your motorcycle and other vehicle ahead of you because it gives you
time to react. All these answers are correct. Time to stop. Time to brake.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 43. A precaution that should be taken when riding at night is:
increase your following distance. Use your low beam. Decrease your following distance. Increase your speed.
Answer.
Increase your following distance.
Question 44. You can be charged with riding while under the influence of intoxicants, if
your back is 0.08% or above. The police have enough evidence to convince the judge or jury that you were riding under the influence of intoxicants. You ride a motorcycle while you are under the influence of intoxicating liquor, a controlled substance, an inhalant, or any combination of these substances. Any or all of the above.
Answer.
Any or all of the above.
Question 45. Which of the following is acceptable to wear on a motorcycle?
Jeans, t-shirt, helmet. Boots, shorts, leather jacket. Sturdy jacket, boots, and gloves. Gloves, bright shoes, denim jacket.
Answer.
Sturdy jacket, boots, and gloves.
Question 46. At minimum, a street-legal motorcycle should have which of the following equipment?
Horn and 2 mirrors. All these answers are correct. Headlight, tail light, brake light and turn signals. Front and rear brakes.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 47. The best way to combat fatigue while riding is to
consume lots of water. Drink energy drinks. Stop at least every 2 hours. Avoid wearing a helmet.
Answer.
Stop at least every 2 hours.
Question 48. Which of the following should be checked before each ride?
Tires. Clutch and throttle. Brakes. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 49. When should the staggered formation be used?
Through curves and turns. Long stretches of road. When passing as a group. Merging onto the highway.
Answer.
Long stretches of road.
Question 50. When you feel like a driver might try to share your lane, what should you do?
Flash your brake light. Use hand signals. Ride in the center lane position. Swerve from side to side.
Answer.
Ride in the center lane position. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.